Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to reset your default theme on Galaxy A17. Let's begin! So, as you can see, my whole theme, my whole Samsung is just all this pink and I'm a man, I don't want pink, so let's get rid of that. First, we want to head into settings. Then, you want to scroll down a little and simply head into themes. Now, inside Galaxy themes, after this loads for a moment, well, let's agree to continue. We want to head from themes to menu, and then, just like the tutorial says, we want to go into my stuff. And as you can see, inside themes we have a default theme. So all you want to do is simply click default. Let's go with apply. And now we are applying a default theme with default colors, default fonts, default everything. So if you have been playing around with that, maybe way too much, you can always do that to, as you can see, get your typical look back. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.